everyone, welcome to this demo video. As you know, you can view product stock in the inventory module under the reporting section. There you can also see product with zero quantity. However, this information is not directly visible in POS. With our custom module, you can monitor product stock in real time directly within the POS session. So, let's start from the configuration. We will start from the product configuration. I have created a product water bottle. Here you can see the point of sale configuration. It is available in POS. I can update the product quantities. Currently it is 5, and after that I will also enable some other features like display stock in POS to display the product quantities, hide out of stock products. Okay, you can also see the stock types. You can also allow out of stock product, allow to order. If it's out of stock, you can also add some custom message. Okay, just click on the save button, and after that I will start a new session with some opening cache. Okay, after that you can see the product quantities, on hand quantities of the products, and here I have activated the display so you can see the products. Okay, and after that I have another options like uh, categories. Just remove the category filter and you can see the stocks of all product. Here you can see the stock location configuration. You can select the current session warehouses so that you can see the limited stocks. You can only see the stocks of current session. Just click on the categories and you will see the stocks. My onion quantity is 5, so it is visible here, and you can just move to all warehouses to see the stocks of all warehouses. Okay, just refresh it. After that you can see the daily order when product is out of stock. If you want, if you want that it should not allow to create any POS order if my quantity is below 10, then you can set the 10 here, and you will not be allowed to create any uh, POS order. Okay, it will not visible here in the POS session. Okay, so just click on the 0 because we want to display the products. Okay, just refresh it and you will see the products. Now our next configuration is allow order when out of stock. You can enable it. Okay, you can hide out of stock products. Okay, just I'm just disabling it to show the product with out of stock. Just refresh it and you will see the changes. Zero quantities, a product with zero quantities in red colors. Okay, okay, the next is I'm searching a product because I want to see the changes. The out of stock is 0, and here uh, you can see the products low stock product list. Here you can see the product with 001 products. It's a flavor, we have just searched it. Okay, just click I think it is available in my stock because it's not, we don't have any minimum quantity of water bottle. Okay, so this is here. So this is the complete flow of our custom module POS stock. If you are interested in purchasing, the buy link and the other details are available in the description box. Feel free to check them out. If you would like to add any extra features or need any customization, you can contact us via email or WhatsApp for the further discussion. Okay, so thank you for the watching.